Hi everyone, welcome to Ingrid's Insights, and this week we are talking about coats. Now I'm actually standing in my hallway very close to my coat rack, and twice a year I actually look through my coats and I see which ones are going to be changed over for the right season. Now this video is coming out to you at the end of March, around that time, so we're starting to get the warmer weather. So in a couple of weeks time you might think to yourself, I need to start swapping my coats round and I need to take my winter coats off and put my summer coats on. And it's actually the perfect opportunity to then declutter and organize and sort out your coats at that moment. Hence us doing the video this week. So what you want to look at when you're looking at coats, you want to see, is it still working properly? Is the zip closing? Do I still like the color? Have I worn it at all this past season? And before you put it away, you might want to put it in the washing machine if you've been wearing it all winter. Or you might want to check the label of your coat to see if this coat needs dry cleaning at all. So you don't want to, of course, if it needs dry cleaning, you don't want to put it in your washing machine and then ruin your coat. So check the label before you do that. You might have some coats that you wear kind of all year round, apart from when it's really cold or really hot. Those coats kind of tend to keep hanging on your coat rack. But do they ever get aired? Do they ever get a wash? Do you ever check the pockets to see what is in there? This is the perfect opportunity to have a look at all of your coats and kind of go through them and see. Of course, when you've got smaller children in your home, you probably want to check if the coats still fit, because they grow so quickly. Before you know it, they've gone through another size and they're into the next size. So check before the beginning of a new season, check if the current coat that you are thinking they can wear over the season, if it actually still fits, or if you actually need to pass it down to a younger sibling, or maybe give it away or donate it to somebody else. So those are my top tips for Ingrid's Insights this week. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.